Okay, hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to solder on stepper number 2 for LED cube. Okay, since I already made at least 4 of these pieces from the step 1, and since they have 1-inch distance between each other, the method I'm using here is use a tape to fix the position of each single piece, and also use a ruler for the measurement. And so what I need to do is solder this piece on the other pin altogether. But since there's no holder right now, I will apply more tapes to fix the position first, just like the way we did before. So the solder for this one is also a little bit harder. And also remember to keep 1/2 inch distant margin from here, the pin, to the outside for both sides. Okay, I'm trying to. For the 4x4 LED cube, we have to make totally 4 of these panels. So it's not that much work, and so using tape, it's totally accepted. Yeah, it's pretty hard to tape. I'm not trying to tape to the top. See, actually, I'm taping like make it parallel to the pin. Okay, seems like the positions really well. Okay, well, just in case, I fix the other end. Okay, good to go. Okay, then next step is the exact same. Solder those pins to the steel wire. Okay, there's this really good strategy that you solder for this is do not try to use the tip of soldering iron to solder it, because it's a lot of area. So what I do is melt a lot of things first, then like put it parallelly between the wire and the pin, then drag them, so it will like really like spread onto both pins really fast. And what you need to do is like apply more things, keep spreading on them. Also, you need to fix the soldering from different angles, and make sure don't leave your soldering iron on on both wire and the pins too long, because it will burn the LED. Also apply some more on this side. Make sure it's well connected. Oh, I think that's good enough. And yeah, then you can remove the tapes to the side.